Yeah, y'all. They just emptied out. Going to the truck stop. Look at this shit. Big ass piles of snow. Like, it's like we off-road right now. This is fucking insane. Had to put the tri-differals on this shit. This shit corny as fuck. We gonna stop right here. Damn, bro. So yeah, man, we trying to get to the truck stop, man. Hopefully find us a fucking spot. Come on, baby. Let's get up out of here, man. We did our job, man. Look at this deep ass shit. Oh my god. You know what's a good time for, y'all? You know what is a good time for, y'all? Y'all know what it's a time, man. Put the bleezy in the air when you stress. We just delivered that associate. Man, what the fuck back there falling? Oh my god. God damn it. God damn, shit be falling like. It's only happening shit like this. It's some big ass slushes in the road, like damn, nigga. Yeah, we ain't gonna go too fast. Look at this shit, we hopping around. Looking for the fucking TA. TA pilot. This shit crazy. They weren't lying, man. Niggas got bad. This is a lot of snow to cover like the whole state like this. Yeah. Like I was telling the dude in there, like, man, ain't nobody got shit on no lake effect snow. But seeing this right here, yeah, it's up there. Like the first one, I'm like, yeah, this ain't about shit. But this one right here, another 10 inches, yeah, dog. Hey, that bitch was green. I don't know what y'all niggas watch. Look at this shit. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Yeah! Like I was gonna get on the freeway, but I'm like, why am I gonna go on the freeway if this the street right here? Just gotta go all the way up the street. So hey, hope everybody at home snuggled up with them big old biddies, making chocolate chip extra chunk cookies. Y'all be safe, man. Love.